Morningfame is one of the most underrated YouTube growth tool. And in this video, I will give you the latest Morningfame Invite Code, which will provide you 1 month of Morningfame trial for absolutely free. To get started, simply click on the first link down below in the video description. This is my invite link, and when you click on it, you'll be taken to Morningfame website. Here, when you scroll down, you'll see that the invite code is already applied here. Next, we only need to create an account here on Morningfame. Here, you need to enter your name, your email address, and a strong password. And then confirm. Next, you need to allow your channel access to Morningfame. And then click on this Continue button. Next, click on this Finish Sign Up button, which will take you to a page like this. Here it is asking you to check your email. Now, open your mailbox and you should see an email like this. Here, click on this Open the Full Report button, which will take you to your Morningfame dashboard. Here you will see a small overview of Morningfame. Once it's done, you'll see your entire channel analytics. You'll immediately see all the best performing videos of your channels, things you need to improve, and a lot of other things as well. Next, if you go to Accounts and Subscriptions and then go to the subscription settings, you'll see the trial end date. If you use my invite link, you'll automatically get a 30-day trial of Morningfame. To continue further, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Morningfame's Plus plan will cost you $13 every month, and $10 per month if you pay on yearly basis. It also has a basic plan with some limitations which only cost $5 per month. I personally use the basic plan of Morningfame, and if you are just starting out, the basic plan is perfect for you. If you haven't signed up yet, then go ahead and use my invite link in the description. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe for more videos like these.